Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that is changing the world. AI, or Artificial Intelligence. What exactly is AI? How does it work? And how is it making our lives easier? Let's get started. Number 1. What is AI? In simple words, AI is a technology that allows machines to think, understand, and make decisions like humans. Just like we learn from our experiences, AI learns from data and patterns. That's why AI is also called machine learning. Number 2. Why was AI created? The main idea behind AI was to make machines smart enough to handle repeated tasks, do complex calculations, solve problems faster than humans. Today, AI has become a part of our everyday life, even without us noticing. Number 3. How does AI work? Now the most interesting part. How does AI actually work? AI works through 4 basic steps. Step 1. Data collection. AI collects huge amounts of data. Images, text, videos, numbers. Just like humans learn from experience, AI learns from data. Step 2. Finding patterns. AI algorithms analyze the data and look for patterns. Example: if you show AI 10,000 photos of dogs and cats, it automatically learns the difference. Step 3. Training. Here, the AI is trained to understand what the correct answer is. This stage is called machine learning training. Step 4. Making decisions. After training, AI can make its own predictions. Is this a dog or a cat? Is this message spam or normal? What will the weather be like today? A simple formula: AI equals data plus algorithm plus training plus prediction. Number 4. Types of AI. AI mainly has 3 types. Narrow AI. AI that performs a specific task. Examples: Google Maps, Netflix recommendations, Siri, Alexa. General AI. AI that can perform any human-level task. This is still a future concept. Super AI. AI that is more intelligent than humans. This is still only a theory. Number 5. Real-life examples. You use AI every single day. Face unlock, Google search, YouTube recommendations, self-driving cars, chatbots, online shopping suggestions. AI is working everywhere in the background. Number 6. Is AI dangerous? AI becomes dangerous only when it's misused. But with the right rules, safety, and control, AI can make the world smarter, faster, and safer. And that was a simple explanation of what AI is and how it works. If you find AI interesting, comment below. We'll bring more videos on this topic. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.